Hello and welcome to the second part of video tutorials about the ESXCLI system command lines. In the first video of this series, I spoke about many settings like how to get primary system information, time settings, user accounts configuration, maintenance mode and shutdown operations. But in the second part, I will review syntax about the process, boot setting, and so on. ESXCLI system process list shows the list of currently running VM kernel user word process and the related information. But the stats syntax means process statistics information. Get the average load of the host in the three types of interval over the last 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 50 minutes duration. And also stats running get tell us the total number of running process. By running boot syntax, you can find the UUID of the boot device. If I go to the VMFS volumes directory and list available volumes, you can comparison and find which one of them holds the boot files of the ESXi. As you can see, there is many important files like boot.cfg or bootconfig. There is another syntax, ESXCLI System UUID get. But remember, it will give us the ESXi host itself UUID, not the boot device. Also, you can get the current welcome message and set up a new one for the DCUI environment. For example, I set welcome to the VCP class. Don't forget to put the whole message in the double quotations. And gotcha. In the third part of this video series, I will speak and show you how to configure two other important components, core dump and syslog.